ask for your presence to be with us. Amen.
So much. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman sa ating ABL. And you will have take your seats, guys. Okay. Do we have a birthday song? Meron ba tayong birthday song? Okay. So, guys, ayan, habang nasa stage ang ating seller. Okay, ayan, ayan na. Okay, music. Isa pa daw sabi ni Kayla, hindi ko mas malakas. Clap your hands! Thank you so much. Palakpakan natin once again our birthday family, Mommy and Daddy. Of course, our Flex Break Me. Ayan, sa kanila ulit manggagaling. It's either nasa pocket nila, nasa wallet, or nasa bag. Okay? This time, I want you to break me. Okay? I want you to break me the 20 peso coin. 20 peso coin. Ayan, okay. Go, come on guys. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh! We have it here. Okay, halika dito. Come here. Get your prize here. Yan, okay, here's your 20 peso coin. What's your name? Mishka, congratulations. Can you have the prize for Mishka? Wow, grabe yung prize, oh. Ganun lang hindi magkaroon ng prize. Mishka, come here. Halika dito. Mishka, ayan, halika dito. May mga tanong pa ako sa'yo. Mishka, how old are you na? 7. 7. Okay, do you go to school na ba? You go to school na? Yes, okay. So, anong masasabi mo sa prize po? What will you say? You wanna say?
It's good. Thank you po.
Thank you. Okay, clap your hands. Okay, now, I need another winner for our Bring Me game. Okay, sino yung mga wala pang prize? Can you please raise your hands up? Who doesn't have a prize? Ready? Tingin sa camera. Oh, wait lang. Okay. Ready? Look at the camera. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Yan. Okay. Eto na guys. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Actually, nauna sila ng konti-konti lang. I-check natin. Ano pong pangalan? Ann. Okay. Letter A. Jason. Jeffrey. J pa rin. L. Letter M. That is correct. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Okay lang yun guys, kasi example pa lang naman yun. Practice pa lang yun. Okay? Eto na, magbibigay na tayo ng 1 point next round. Hindi na ito practice or example. Ready na? Next round. Arrange your group or your line according to your age or edad. Youngest to oldest. Go, come on! Kalaban ang unang sumigaw. Okay, check natin. Sige sir, lapit tayo ng konti. Lapit po, lapit. Yan, okay. Para maabot ng mic natin. Okay, age po. 40. 47. 8. 48. 49. That is correct. 1-0 na tayo. Hindi na yung example Hindi na yung practice. 1-0 na tayo. Eto na. Next round. Arrange your group or your line according to the size. Eto, sukat lang ito from pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinakamalaking sukat ng bewang nyo or waistline. Go, come on! Okay, live. Okay, wala nang gumalaw. Okay, wala nang gumalaw. Okay. Check natin. Pong waistline.
Parang pasok. Parang sabi.
28. Okay, wow. Parang 16 years old, ha? Ayan, okay. Okay, 28. 30. 21. 6, pahina, guys, no? Ayan. Okay, ano pong waistline? 28. Ayan, okay. All one na tayo. Palakpakan naman natin. Magandang laban. Okay, all one. Guys, by the way, meron tayong special prize para sa mga mananalo. Dito yung kanina mga prize na pinamimigay natin. Pero kami ngayon ng special prize for the adult team. Okay? Oh, come on! Team Palaban. Okay, naunang Team Palaban. Ang lakas. Okay, height po. Ayan, pahinaan ng konti yung music. Ayan, okay. Ano pong height? 5'10". Height 4. 5'3". Sige pala rin. 11, 8. Okay, okay. Teka lang ha, parang nagbubuga sila ha, okay. Sige po, side view daw tayo, harap tayo lahat dito, dito sa side na to. Yan, dito po ha. Sir, ma'am, dito po tayo nakaharap, yan. Ayan, tapos ibigin natin sa ano. Sige po, sige po. Guys, kuya rin pa kayo, kuya rin pa kayo. Parang yung second sa yung third at kapalit, no? Yan. So, pag ganito po yung nangyayari, kapag nauna silang sumigaw yung kabilang team, pero mali, pwedeng mag-steal yung kabilang team to steal the score. Kapag tama ito guys, we have to check it first. Kapag mali, wala rin score. Okay, let's check it. Your height is? 5'9". 5'6". 5'3". 5'2". 4'11". Okay, so guys, tingnan nyo ha. Is this correct? Yes, okay. Ang score natin is 2-1. Okay, so yan ha. Okay yan guys. Kaya pa yan. Okay. Pero possible na may manalo ng next round. Pero kaya pa kang yan. Okay. Wow! Hello, with this. Guys. Don't move. Open eyes. Everybody clap your hands together for Caleb. Thank you so much. Clap your hands. Guys, tira. Ulitin nyo na po. Okay? Hanggang sa may ma-out na. Yung ma-out, muna po. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, out muna. Yung time, isang bagsak lang. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ulitin nyo na po. Okay, out na yung mga natalo. Ayan. Mag-stay dito yung mga nanalo. Sino yung mga nanalo guys? Ayan, okay. Sino na out? Okay, sit down yan, sit down. Okay. Panalo din po. Okay. Out na rin. Okay. Kaya dalawa na magkalaban. Yan. Okay. So, sir, ikaw wala pa naman. Ikaw naman waiting. Ayun. Sino? Ikaw na waiting, sir. Ikaw na waiting. Ay, hindi. Ito pala waiting. Okay. Ready? Okay. Ready? You're out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs na lang to guys ha. Wait lang. Wala pa. Binilang ko lang po ilang pairs kayo. Okay. Ito na, bibilang na ako. Gini na. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Ayan. Okay. Okay, ilan na lang sila. Okay, anak? It's a tie. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Harap. Oh, it's a tie again. Okay, one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Harap. Oh, parehas na naman. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Up, harap. We have a winner. Okay, dito ka lang ha. Dito ka lang. Siyempre, may prize din yung second place natin at ang ating grand winner. Ito para sa iyo, grand winner. Let's say,